Hello crafters, I hope you are doing well. Today I bring you the Jimi Wallet, a more minimal version, only for cars and builds. It's easy, simple to make, and in this tutorial we go step by step through the whole process. So, if you use the partner and follow the tutorial, you will easily make this wallet. And if you enjoy working with the leather, prepare your workbench, leave your like and let's get started. We start by cutting the paper partner and attaching it on top of the leather using masking tape. For this project I use chrome tanned leather, 1.2 mm thick, in whiskey brown color. Next, we punch the leather. This step is simple. We only need a 16 mm punch to make a half moon in the center of the larger piece. All the other holes are made with a 5 mm stitching hole. Now we cut the leather pieces. Just follow the black lines. After cutting, we use a 10 mm corner punch to round all the corners of the pieces. Now we reduce the thickness of the car compartments. With a sharp 6 mm skiver, the work is fast and easy. We stitch the car compartments on the base. In the video I show one side, the other side is exactly the same. After stitching, we glue all the card holder pieces together and let them dry. When everything is dry, we glue both card holders to the main base of the wallet, the same piece where we made the half moon cut. Press everywhere and let it dry with the clamps. While the pieces dry, we prepare the bill compartment. First, sand the rounded corners. Then, bevel the edge with a edge beveler number 2 with a token hole and burnish stick and a cloth. Burnish until the edge is shine and smooth. Now we glue the bill compartment, do the same process as before and let it dry. Do not forget to sand the surface of the leather before gluing. This helps the glue hold better. After a few hours of the drying, it is time to stitch the entire wallet. The wallet is stitched in two halves, with a brown thread 0.6 mm and with a patience the wallet is almost finished. With the patience and care, we sand all the edge. Then, bevel with the edge beveler number 3, using Toconol and burnishing stick and a cloth. We polish the edge 4 to 5 times, until the wallet looks smooth and professional. One more project complete, with care, detail and of course, leather everywhere. And that's it, the Jimi Wallet is finished. I hope you enjoy it and have a fun making your Jimi Wallet. More projects are coming soon, so share the video and leave your like. It really helps the channel and my work to grow. See you in the next project.